So friend, this is my online network Sky channel, and today new topic on network course. So this is very important for you to understand about what is network and how many type of network. Watch previous video very important for you. Either you cannot understand about network related. Okay. So this is very important for you know about lot of video I'm created previous video. Watch all video part wise. Either you cannot understand about network. Okay. So this is very important for you to understand about what is a network diagram and how many type of diagrams set up in network. What is a topology? Topology types I'm already created. Okay. And tree topology, how this tree topology work. Watch previous video, very important for you to not understand advantage and disadvantage of tree topology. What is the disadvantage of tree topology? Network backbone, this is a very understand about important for you because the network backbone is a very important part of computer. So how this network backbone and how many type of important part of types of network, how many type of network in computer network. Networking devices very important for understand about how many type of network devices. So network device is a bridge device. How is which devices? Repeater devices, hub devices, networking cables, network interface cards, switch, modem, routers, multiplayer switch, servers, wireless access point, firewall. I will create one by one these on devices, but how locate in how many type of devices I'm created already in this video. So watch me. Okay. Multiplexer, network interface controller, wireless network interface controller, router, ISP terminal, reactor, lot of I'm already created. And this type of different network you can see 7 type of tabs. Watch previous video. Network and internet very important for you understand how many type of network OSI layer very important for you. Network gateway, what is a network gateway important? OSI model today I am completely second video is very important for you. So you can see here this is our type of OSI or structure. Okay, and how many type of my OSI and how these are created and why these create OSI layer. This is very important for you. Okay, and any data you sharing, sending, receiving, that is important communication protocol. OSI model, OSI server, or OSI 7 layer model architecture very important for you. Either you cannot understand, so watch previous video very important for you. Either miss this very important knowledge. So networking protocol, communication protocol is very important for you. Either you cannot perfectly understand about communication protocol. So what is the data processing in OSI? This is a very important for you. Not directly data one to another side, because OSI model is responsible. So how many type of architecture changing in time to time upgrade OSI model. Okay, so layer architecture I'm continue in my video. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. So in previous video I am showing you any data sending, any data receiving responsible of OSI 7 layer. This is a very important for point to point. Other any type home type of any type your connector network. Okay, so how this OSI basic communication model is very important for understand about how working. That is very important for you. So my last previous video I am already created the application layer. Watch it and understand about how these application layer work and how this is a very important for protocol data unit 1 enter here. Okay, this is a important of applications and how this application layer work in a computer. This is a very important for you. Either you cannot understand about application layer. So understand, and after start presentation my new layer. Okay, means new OSI introduction this layer. So watch all previous video. Either you cannot understand presentation layer how working and how is set up. Okay, So let's start and understand about the presentation layer and how these work. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here
friend,
and
this is
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you. You are computer beginner, so you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this is
Every
a
your operating system you can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64 bit? What is a 32 bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I'm
this is my online
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So what is the presentation layer? It's you can see here name is showing work. Presentation means you present of your data in your computer. You can see here this is a one type of presentation. How this present in your background side color. This is a Gmail website. You can see Gmail system. Okay, Google company. You can see left side you can data showing here, right side data showing different type data. You can see this type of Gmail logo and Gmail some photo. You can see here this is a logo of icon in your account. You can see this is a one type of a different type of showing of data that is a responsible of presentation layer. Okay, same is other type of website. You can see Facebook. So Facebook is showing different type of created data. Facebook logo, Facebook, this you can see this picture here, and some box, first name, last name, this type showing. Okay, so how this possible for save any site, any computer you open, any um, your Android device opening website. So how these present, how you present data same, because responsible this presentation layer, and presentation layer is showing how your data in your. So work of presentation layer. The presentation layer establishes context between application layer entities, in which application layer entities may use different syntax and semantic in presentation service provide a mapping between them. So presentation is establish a context between application layer and these showing of applications. Sometime you can see here this is a one or another side. So how this presentation layer is a application between intent and entities, So when you are create any data, you can test file, and you are some information in text file. So you are sharing any data, you are send any one person, any network side. So other side same as it is showing in the data. Okay, not changing any side, any movement, any data, because same as in sentence and some characters same as it is you are creating. How this? Because the data going to your network to another side. Okay, any person you're sending and receiving one type of any side in network using. So how this same as it is your file created, and other side you are open same as it is showing in your data. That is a responsible, that is a main is a process work in presentation layer. Okay, so this reason is showing here presentation service provide mapping between them. Okay, so that is a very important for understand about more detail in presentation layer. You are using network or network plus internet, any you are using. Okay, so in a network lot of devices, lot of computer, lot of you know so network, any using, you are using any internet. So how it is possible to one to another side same as it is showing data like your file, your folder, your websites, your picture, any your data. So that is a present of your completely in your presentation layer, not changing anything in the to original frame same as it is sending to another side. So just give example, lot of you are using your company website. So you are attached in your company server, so you can see here a lot of companies computer connect to each other side, and same as it is how this possible to same to same network in showing same website looking designing and everything same, everything your information related, everything same as it is same your website, every your computers, not changing anything. That is a responsible of presentation data, presentation layer of present your data. Okay, so transfer your data any network, any internet through by wire, wireless through any side. So why not changing, and why not change up to one to another side? So it is a very important for understand about if a mapping is available, if the mapping available presentation protocol data you need. Okay, are encapsulate into session protocol data. So how this encapsulate? So that is a session layer. Okay, session layer I will show you next video in these network. So that is one type of encapsulation data, session protocol data unit, and pass down the protocol stack. That is one type of a button for. So session protocol pass data to presentation, and presentation pass to application data. So that is one type of important protocol. Okay, and this protocol data you need one type of your responsible perfectly same as it is one to another side showing your same website, same data. You any share file folder, your website data sharing by server network in each side in each field. So that is a this protocol is a important presentation of presentation layer. Okay, so a lot of people not understand how this possible to lot of devices connected, thousands of millions of computer connected in internet and lot of devices. But why same as it is showing every computer in Facebook website, YouTube, any your website just like Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Gmail, yeah, and Skype, extra, other type of any your website, watching same as it is showing every computer, every devices. Why? Because this is a responsible of a presentation protocol, presentation layer. Okay, without presentation protocol, you cannot complete showing in your your website. I will show you how this problem without presentation layer, how is a problem created in a network in network system. So suppose you can see using your Facebook this type of you can one of the center of main data. So one to another side you can sending and receiving file and of so that is a one type of a session protocol. Session computer data unit passed to protocol of presentation. So presentation is important for you are any worldwide any search just like facebook.com, google.com, same as it is same web page open and same data showing in your computer. How this possible? That is a presentation layer, because presentation layer how your website showing how your your picture your character. So that is important for you understand about your data created your website via a website developer, and that is called syntax, one type of programming, one type of architecture of your programming data. And while in a network lot of different type of server, Wi-Fi devices, printer devices, your so network devices, computers, laptops, satellites, organizations, companies, government systems, and first some every different type of worldwide web using. So that is how this possible to not changing any in document side. You can how this possible. It is responsible presentation protocol and not changing any side. You are any network using a wireless network, any your data, any your site worldwide, any side you open Google same page, it is page showing Google engines and Google search of list. Why? Because it is a presentation protocol work in your background side. Okay, background side you're working in your computer. Net reason if you are using internet network any you are one to another set connect one to another computer. So same as it is working in presentation layer is responsible for your computer. So what is why responsible presentation protocol? You are open any web browser. So what is the background of syntax? Syntax you can see here. This is a one type of lot of program engineer created your your data, one type of showing your you can see here one to another side going to data of code. So this is data you can see here. This is a one type of data in your computer. So you can see here this is a syntax of your everything. You can see this is a programming code, and this programming made your any your computer maybe some up down data, so you cannot completely voice same as it is your in your website. Okay, so that is a responsible of a presentation protocol. This is a reading and directly pass to application layer. Okay, so your website you are open. This is a code generated in your background your website. Okay, your browser, and that is showing your your data in your web browser. How this I give you one type of example first to understand about this. The presentation work setup same data created and show the all of data with word character, pictures, lines, extra. Okay. So the presentation layer work setup. Okay. Same data created. Programmer engineer, one type I'm give example for Facebook. Okay, Facebook engineer, Facebook web developers team changing any type of new type of website and change data upload in server system, and you are write www.facebook.com and open. So how this new type of Facebook showing in your computer, because changed everything code, everything your important of data in a server, and that is a server showing the same as it is every worldwide, same pictures, lines, word of characters, numbers, and your syntax, everything. So that is a very important for understand about presentation layer is possible same to same showing in your system. So how this possible? I am showing one type of example. So suppose this is a one computer. Okay, so this is a very important for example understand. So without presentation layer data, how this showing in your computer? Okay, this is a very important. So you can see sender, one type of one computer to another computer connect. Okay, this is a message sender. Okay, one of data sender, and this second computer is receiver, means receive one type of data in your system. Okay, and this is you are using connect to transfer data one to another side by network or internet through. Okay, so you are using a connect to between devices, either you using any system, and this user this this is a user using a Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome technology, Google any website, and you can see this main same as it is Google Chrome using so this sender, this computer sender message type hello, and look at without presentation layer data how this is showing this open message. So you are connect to directly wired or wireless through either you are connecting cat 5, cat 6, cat 7, any your network data. Okay, and you are using wire to wireless network, depend on you are using wire or wireless network, and you are any created LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN network, WAN network. Okay, so that is a very important for understand about you can see without the presentation data showing this type. Okay, this type showing data here. Okay, because not you are reading anything, because character some change it out. So this reason create a presentation layer protocol, because sometimes character up down your data not perfectly this catch up, not sending time sending time changing, and receiving type pickup time, this type showing here. Okay, not completely originally time originally form showing. So that is the main important of a part of your website, and same as it is not changeable of anything by presentation layer, because the same character same of syntax is a one type of word character, pictures, lines, and some programming C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, HTML, HTML5, everything your programming data in load in your website, in your web browser. So how this possible is directly not coming in your data, because this is important for first process of your communication protocol. Okay, and second step is one type of your showing your presentation of in your data. Your computer is a very important for understand about your sender and receiver. Okay, so you are also using other type of your Android device, any side, anywhere, any using your WhatsApp, using Facebook, Facebook application chat, and using that is the same as it is a presentation layer background work in your Android device, iPhone device, message you are typing any type of same as it is presentation layer working your some devices. This is a very important for understand about the protocol. Okay, so that is a very is important of sending and receiving and character of a system. Okay, So it is a responsible of a data process presentation data layer. Okay, so responsible of data presentation layer. Okay, and work no any changes. Okay, not changing anything. Transfer data. Okay, transfer data and set data same created to another devices. So that is one type of a transfer data and set data same created to another device is one type of showing is responsible of a data presentation layer. Okay, so transfer data and set data same of a created another device is one type of showing your layer of a network and no any changes in transfer data to set to same time on the devices. So transferring data, how this transferring data is one type of presentation layer. So again, I'm showing you with presentation layer. Okay. So you are using presentation layer, and you can see presentation protocol data unit. How this? So one sender, okay, one computer any device you are using, and second computer any device is using, and we are using any network, internet, any devices by directly connect to wireless through. Okay, so how this presentation with layer you can see this is any your team any your devices you can start up here. Okay, so you can see here this is presentation layer how the work in data of a unit. Okay, so this is presentation layer. This is you can see here hello, so you can hello type of where right here. Okay, and the second is you can see this is the one type of hello without any view or website enter here. So you can see here this is a one type of different type of code of generated in installed in the different type of created in your data and server side uploaded. Okay, so same as it is outside you can see the hello, so that is the responsible of presentation data original form you can see other side. Okay, and your transfer data any side one to another side, that is one type of presentation responsible of showing of your same as it is. Okay, so presentation layer not transferring data, presentation layer only present of your data, transfer data transport layer. Okay, so this is a next two layer after I'm showing you how to transfer data. Okay, but presentation layer only showing your real actually where how your data showing in your web browser in what type of characters everything you have created the world wide and Microsoft Word inside. And same as it is you can see the second side you can see this very browser and inside you are open website same as it is. That is with the presentation layer. Okay, so one to another side is just one type of presentation layer, one to another side to going to data. Okay, so you can see here this is a presentation layer of your computer. So any website any site any one type of important part of system. So you can see here this is a one type of a syntax of data in one to another side of protocols, and one type of transferring data you change not you cannot change any side because presentation layer is showing same as it is set original format. Okay, and that is responsible of presentation layer to same as it is one type of character type of syntax with original form side in your background computer side. Okay, so lot of distance side one to another side your computer, one to another side devices, one to another server connected by wireless through network your any devices using. So that is a responsible of presentation data same as it is original format to showing in your computer devices and other of important same as it is data original format showing in your devices. So how this data presentation and how this working your presentation layer I will show you in next video. Okay, either you can understand. Okay, So this is a very important for understand about data representation. This is a video long, and I will discuss next data representation. Okay. So completely understand about you are first is without presentation layer, not same as it is showing original form data. But the presentation layer is you are using in your computers. That is one type of inside your data coming. You are in website search. Same as it is your data showing in your computer, laptop, desktop, your Android devices, your server, inside your tablet, inside your open web browser, even open any your application software. So that is a responsible of presentation layer is showing originally format to your present of your data. Okay, so that is a one type of presentation layer is protocol PDU2. Okay, so this is without the presentation layer protocol, not showing completely easy to and same original data format, because computer data is programming website data is one type of syntax, one type of syntax you can see. Okay, and this is syntax is any site changing from your web browser, not perfectly completely same as it is showing, because your data background site changed, and that is the main problem is of this reason created a presentation layer. Your data completely present of how you present your your pictures, your information website, your structure of website, and other type of facilities are showing in your website. Okay, and not only website, other type of your file, folders, pictures, everything presentation layer is responsible for original format you're showing. Your presentation layer is one type of same as it is. Okay, so next time I will continue about data representation, how this presentation layer is responsible. So next time I will continue. So thanks for watching. I will have a nice day, and any type of question, so comment me and click on bell icon. Either you miss my network video. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue data representation on this topic. Okay. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this body you can see here my this online Nettech sketch. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, paper, how to use in paper, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online and this scratch channel. This channel very helpful for you, and advanced you can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my, you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video.